the best team. Go there. We start at the end.
Again.
Children, do you see my game?
Yes.
My game is called color identification. Color identification. We are going to choose colors here. If I'm said that take blue color, you are supposed to take blue color. If I'm said that take red color, you are supposed to take that red color. Okay? Keep quiet and look to your friends. Okay? Okay, sit like a boss. We are going to start to play this game. Okay?
Yes.
Are you ready to play this game? Show me blue color. Show me blue color. Good. Red color. Orange color. Pink color. Green color. Green color. Good. Yellow color. Good. Orange color. Good, Ida. Give me 5. Good. Well done to Ida. I go back there. Good. Yellow color. Good. Red color. Good. Pink color. Pink. Good. Orange color. Good. Green color. Good. Give me 5. Good. Well done to Johannes. I'm fine. Are you okay? Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay, show me blue color. Good. Red color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Pink color. Good. Give me 5. Good. Well done to Enrique. Good. Are you happy? Are you happy? Do you see colors here? Do you see colors? Do you see colors? Say yes. Do you see colors? Show me blue color. Good. Red color. Yellow color. Yellow. Good. Orange color. Green color. Pink color. Good. Give me